Toolbank specialise in the wholesale distribution of quality tools and hardware, with over 25,000 lines from more than 270 leading brands. Operating from warehouses nationwide, the business now operates a next-day delivery service with a comprehensive fleet of over 100 vans. Consumer demand is continuing to grow, and because of this, Toolbank's head office and distribution centre here in Dartford needed to carefully refurbish and expand. Today the facility employs over 100 staff and accommodates over 250,000 SKUs. £15 million worth of stock at retail value is warehoused here and distributed throughout the south of England, Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. Along with this, customers' internet orders are also received and fulfilled from Dartford. It's impressive stuff. A former banana factory, the existing building had extensive heavy-duty insulation in the walls and ceilings. In preparation for Toolbank's refurbishment, this insulation was stripped out, creating an extra 360 square metres of useful floor space around the perimeter. Link 51 also reconfigured the existing high bay pallet racking and two-tier shelving and integrated it into the new storage design. A new two-tier mezzanine floor with fire-protected stairwell, a goods lift and pallet gates was installed. The ground floor packing area, which also incorporates offices, is linked by conveyors to the first floor picking area, where heavy-duty Longspan Shelving was installed. What you see here is a floor that integrates perfectly with the repositioned two-tier shelving, allowing operators to move their picking trolleys easily throughout the storage system. The top floor is used for seasonal bulk storage, and this can be racked out to meet with any future expansion. Link 51 reconfigured existing racking, creating a storage area for hazardous items using mesh partitioning from floor to ceiling. Here you can see aerosols, chemical and inflammable products all stored safely. The mesh walls are fixed directly to racking uprights in order to minimise wasted space. Utilising existing racking frames with bespoke beams, Link 51 went on to create further storage space above the loading dock doors, working around their irregular positioning. The new warehouse extension integrates with the existing building and includes new wide-aisle pallet racking together with a Link 51 high-density semi-automated shuttle system. Toolbank operate two shuttles within the bulk storage system, powered by an innovative lithium-ion battery that is easy to recharge and managed by an interactive radio transmitter. You can see here how the shuttle accurately moves pallets along the storage lane on rails, having been placed in the appropriate location by a forklift truck. Pallets are positioned at a predetermined distance from each other to avoid contact. And with access from both ends of the lane, pallets can be selected either first in, first out, or last in, first out. It's new technology at its best.
I'd already fairly much decided on how we was going to lay the warehouse out, and I knew they'd done a shuttle system, so I wasn't happy with somebody else who was quoting me with their delivery. It was months, because they have to import everything, whereas these people make the frames. It's their racking, it's what they do. And it was a matter of weeks instead of months. So they do the mezzanine floor, it's their company, they do the Longspan, they do the pallet racking. It was just easy to control. One project manager was dealing with everything. It made sense and it worked. And on the reef at the old warehouse, the one down there, we was working around networking people, electricians, alarms, heating, and they were central to it all, and yeah, they controlled it very well. It's good.
All in all, the refurbishment and expansion at Toolbank needed to allow for a continued 24-hour distribution operation. So Link 51, with its extensive project management expertise, effectively coordinated scheduled deliveries and interfaced with other trades, and delivered safe and controlled installation using Sears-trained teams. Link 51's experience and expertise helped overcome a variety of unforeseen problems, such as an unlevelled floor. By using shims for low spots and grinding back high spots, the accuracy of our racking installation was ensured, saving Toolbank the cost of remedial floor screeding and time. Today, Link 51 is leading the way with modern warehousing, storage solutions and technology. Above all, as in the case of Toolbank, our experience and expertise is something you can rely on. Ultimately, it's the way Link 51 do business.